G'day guys and welcome to Primal Waters. Today we're going to have a listen to a few of the unexplained sounds that were recorded back in the late 90s by NOAA. That's the US National Oceanic Atmospheric Administration using their Pacific Ocean Autonomous Hydrophone Array. Now the most famous of these sounds was the bloop, and that was recorded back in, I think, 97. So that's the most famous out of the recordings, but there's a couple here we're going to have a listen to. We're going to have a look at the location of the sounds, and we'll have a quick chat. Now, there's actually two that have not been identified yet. The other four apparently have been. Scientists are saying these sounds could belong to icebergs running aground, but I love to keep an open mind with this. So the first sound we're going to listen to is the upsweep, which was recorded back in August of 91. Now the location of this one is between New Zealand and South America, and this was recorded in August of 91. They reckon this is a seasonal sound. The sound appears to be seasonal, generally reaching peaks in spring and autumn. Like I said, recorded in 91. I'm not too sure if this sound is still being recorded, but there's a location in the middle of the South Pacific, so we'll have a listen to it. All these sounds are spooky as I love listening to them. The upsweep. Now, all these sounds you're listening have been the original speeds these sounds have been sped up. That's pretty much most of them. But yeah, the upsweep's really fascinating, and that one still hasn't been identified yet. The next one is the whistle, and it doesn't say when this was recorded. More than likely in the late 90s, and the sound, they can't pinpoint the location, but the Mariana Trench is where they believe this sound is coming from. Very scary. The next one, the bloop, which is the most famous out of them all, was recorded in 97. They're saying it's ice quakes or a large iceberg running aground. Now, the location of this one, Cape Adare, I think that is, in Ross Sea or the Brasville Strait. So the actual location they're talking about is in Antarctica, Bradfield Strait here. You can see it glowing down here, all the way to Cape Adare. I think it's Adare from here. So anywhere around this location is where this sound is coming from. Pretty much most of the other sounds as well. So we'll have a listen to the bloop. Alright, so the next one I'm going to move on is Julia, and Julia's in the same spot as well. More over this way they reckon the sound came from. So we'll have a listen to Julia. Just go again. Alright, so the next one is the slowdown. Same locations. This one, sorry, Julie, I did say 1999, March 99. Likely a large iceberg had run. Yeah, I don't believe that. The slowdown is 97, and that's to make slow decrease. Doesn't really say actual location, but let's listen. And the next one is the train, which was recorded in 97. Ross Sea, Cape Adder. Hopefully I'm saying that right. This one's spooky. It's around this area here. Tell you what, like, if they're saying these are icebergs, wouldn't these sounds be something that have always been there, nothing new to them? Like even with the blue, like I said, is the most famous one out of them all, and for a while they were saying that this sound could actually belong to an animal. What is it? The source was a mystery, both because it was different from known sounds and because it was several times louder than the loudest recorded animal, the blue whale. And then later on, I don't know how many years after, they turn around and say, no, it's a sound caused by ice quakes or large icebergs running aground or something like that, scraping the ocean floor. Something like that, but I don't know. The upsweep and the whistle are ones that I think the upsweep is one, I guess, that's located pretty far away from Antarctica. There'd be no ice in these waters, I can't imagine. It's in the South Pacific between New Zealand and South America. So I think they say the upsweep is an unidentified sound detected in the American NOAA's autonomous hydrophone arrays. The sound was present when the Pacific Marine Environmental Laboratory began recording its sound surveillance system in August 91. Consists of a long train, narrow, upsweeping sound. Several appear to be seasonal, generally reach peaks in spring and autumn, but unclear whether it is due to changes in the source of seasonal change. Sources can be located near the location identified is volcanic, but sound. No. The overall source level has been declining since 91, but sounds can still be detected. So they can still hear it, but the sound is declining each year. So very, very fascinating, guys. So hopefully you enjoy this video. If you want me to do more of these, definitely let me know in the comment section. I love hearing these stories, especially these sounds. Just fascinating. Like I said, the ocean's a big place. You don't know what's lurking under those waves. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Remember, drop a comment down below, hit that like button, share this video. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next video.